Good morning, students. I am Namita Gupta from Suraj School, PGT Chemistry. Today, I will discuss about emulsion. What is the meaning of emulsion? An emulsion is a colloidal dispersion in which dispersed phase and dispersion medium both are in liquid state. The substance add to stabilize the emulsion will called emulsifier. Emulsifier means when you are taking two liquids which will be in less amount will call dispersed phase and other liquid which will be in more amount will called dispersion medium. When mixed, an emulsifier external chemical is required for adding of this emulsion. We can use soap, protein, gums, agar like soap. If we are taking oil as dispersed phase and water like dispersion medium, we know both will be not mixed. But in presence of soap, oil easily. That's why we can say soap act as emulsifier. On the basis of amount, emulsion divide into two categories: oil in water, water in oil. By the term we can understand when we are taking oil in water, its meaning oil is in dispersed phase form, water is in dispersion medium form. That means oil is in less amount, water will be in more amount. Example: milk, vanishing cream, etc. But just opposite to it, if we are taking water in oil, water is in less amount, act as dispersed phase, oil is in more amount, act as dispersion medium. Example: cod liver oil, butter, cold cream. We can understand in cold cream, water will be in less amount and oily chemical will be in more amount. That's why after the applying of cold cream, you feel oily area. Just opposite to above demulsification term, D means removal, mulsification means emulsion removal. Mulsification means emulsion which are present. Breaking off emulsion, removal of dispersed phase from the dispersion medium is called demulsification. It is the process of breakdown of an emulsion in its constituent. The separation of two liquids, the process called demulsification. It can be going on by the centrifugation force, freezing, boiling, and some chemical methods can also use for demulsification. Centrifugation force we can see in our daily life like in ब्लाइंडर में हम जब घी को, मक्खन को मोल्ड करते हैं, मूव करवाते हैं, तो क्रीमी पोर्शन और लिक्विड पोर्शन दोनों सेपरेट आउट हो जाते हैं. तो दैट प्रोसेस कॉल्ड सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन. ब्लाइंडर डेवलप द सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन फोर्स. एंड बॉइलिंग मीन्स जब आप दो लिक्विड्स को गर्म कर रहे हो, उबाल रहे हो, तो बाय द बॉइलिंग वी कैन सी दोनों लिक्विड्स वेपराइज्ड होंगे.